guys, I'm Vanessa and I have been Eckel. We got some food. Come on, let's go see what's inside. I like food with spice in general, and so my choice today is Barbecue Nation. So I've got some paneer tikka, I've got some wings, and I've got some tikka biryani. This looks incredible, you guys. The smells, the flavors. It's like being in a restaurant but you're in your house. I find that so cool. I wish I had that growing up. Sorry, Mom. I'm gonna start with the paneer. That is so good. And it's not too spicy. It's just perfect. Alright, so let's try the biryani. Haven't tried this kind of biryani before. There's like cashew nuts, and the chicken has so much flavor. I've never had a biryani with cashew nuts in it before. Goodness, this is amazing, you guys. You know what? We need to know how this was made. I'm taking you guys with me. Come on, let's go. And we're here. Let's go into Barbecue Nation and see how those awesome dishes were made. Come on, guys. Hi, Chef Donald.
Hi.
So, Chef, I'm here to learn how to make the amazing food I tasted. What are we doing first? The chicken tikka?
Yeah, mayonnaise.
So much color, Chef. It's so beautiful. Oh, you already know it's going to be good. Ooh, I like the chili. What are we doing next, Chef?
Sure.
Okay, so you've marinated this already?
Yeah.
With that marinade, right? Very hot. I wouldn't want to be falling inside there for sure. Once you've skewered it, how long do you cook it for?
Only for 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, so not too long, otherwise it'll be dry. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells incredible. So now we're back to the tandoor. Let's have a look at this chicken tikka. The smell, like I said, is incredible. Oh my god, it's so good. I could sit here with the plate alone. The marinade is on point, you guys. It is fabulous. Chicken tikka is done. Now over to this side, we're going to be making some paneer tikka. One of my close friends in Kenya would always have the best paneer at his house. Very good for vegetarians. It's kind of the same process as the chicken, but this is vegetarian. It's very rich, you guys. This is why it's so tasty. The chef has already skewered the paneer over here. This is my favorite, I have to say. I love paneer. This is for those Swahili speakers. Danona nikikula hii kila siku. Chef, how long does it stay in here for?
5 minutes. No
Okay,
more
so
time.
this is quick. Who doesn't like waiting for their food? Those are the subu hands. Now I'll just call you subu hands from now on. Very nice. Can I do one more quickly? He's doing some peri-peri wings as well. And the marination for this chef is pretty much the same.
No same. These are different. These are liquid for anchor and peri-peri seasoning. That's it.
The peri-peri seasoning is very good. It's so amazing, you can actually have this just sitting at home. You can sit at home, on your couch, and you get this incredible meal brought. It's amazing. So, now Chef is going to show us something else. Chef, what are you showing us?
Yeah, this is also biryani, chicken tikka biryani process, and this also peri-peri mayonnaise.
Okay, so should we start with the peri-peri? I like learning the different ways to make different types of biryani. It's amazing. Each area has its own unique biryani. I I use it for everything. The biryani has steamed and here it is. That is incredible. Chef, thank you so much. That's beautiful. All right guys, so that's it. That wraps up our session for today. You've seen how we've done three dishes that I've tried previously. They are awesome. I definitely recommend you come and try Barbecue Nation. And the best part, you can order it from your couch. Or heavy. Chef, high five. Awesome. That was great.